In this guide, I'll show you how to teleport to a pillager outpost in Minecraft. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings in your world, and under world and game on the left side, you want to scroll down on the right side until you get to world options. From here, you want to toggle on show coordinates. Then you want to scroll down further and under cheats, activate cheats. Now, once you've done that, you can go back to your game, and if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see your current position. So now what you want to do is open up chat and commands. And in the chat box at the bottom, you want to type in slash locate space structure space pillager underscore outpost, and then you want to press enter. Now, if you have a look in the top left corner, you'll see the nearest pillager outpost. So what you want to do at this point is open up the chat and commands again. Then what you want to do is go down to the chat and type in slash TP space at S, and then you want to type in those coordinates. So for me, it was around minus 7,500. It didn't give the y-axis, so I'm just going to put in 50. And for the z-axis, I think it was around minus 4,500. And then you want to press enter with your coordinates to go to the outpost. So if you do get stuck teleporting, just change the coordinates a bit, and you should eventually get to this pillager outpost. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.